Hey guys, it's Allie and Jet Tila here, and today we're going to be showing you how to make my white chicken chili, or should I say my romantic white chicken chili.
That's right, this is the dish Allie made for me when we were first dating about 10 or 11 years ago, and it was it. She was the one. She's hot, she's smart, and she can cook.
I love this dish because it's cozy and it's warm. It freezes really well, so you can just pull it out, act like you've been slaving over the stove all day long, and have a really nice chili for dinner.
All right, let's go cook this.
All right, so we've got some oil we're gonna be putting in our pan, heating up, and then we've got cumin, some chili powder, salt, and pepper. And we're gonna dress our chicken with that.
So you're seasoning, kind of making a dry rub.
Exactly right. Our oil's smoking, so it's nice and hot. We're gonna sear our chicken in the pan. So what you're looking for here is you want your chicken to be slightly browned and cooked maybe 3/4 of the way through, but not 100% because you don't want your chicken to end up gummy and chewy in your chili.
This step should take about 4 to 7 minutes, depending on how much chicken, how big your pan is.
If it's not perfect, it's still gonna be delicious. So
Blame your husband. Blame your partner. All right, so we've cooked everything down, it's seared on the outside, still medium in the middle. We're gonna transfer, right?
Right.
All right. Dry towel, team. Never touch hot pots with moist towels. Very dangerous.
So now we're gonna add oil, some butter, and we're gonna cook down our onions and our garlic. And we're just gonna cook these down until the onions are soft. Perfect. Now we're gonna make a roux. We're gonna add our flour and cook that down until the raw flour taste comes out.
Critical step when incorporating a hot roux is using cold liquid. Hot liquid, hot roux makes lumpy liquids. Cold liquid, hot roux incorporates so much better, and we're gonna show you that right now. Ready?
Yes, I am ready for some chicken stock.
All right. Because we're using a cold liquid, I don't have to worry about creating clumps in here. May I?
You may.
And I love scraping down bits, because all these bits become deliciousness. So look at this, the roux.
It's looking great.
The roux has thickened.
So we're gonna spice it up a little bit more and add a few things. A little more brown sugar, cumin and oregano, and then a little bit of chili garlic paste. And next we add the chicken back.
That was my cue.
Cue Jet Tila.
Down and away. Look at that.
Yum. And we're just gonna simmer this for about 5 minutes. Now last I'm gonna add the green chilies. I like to fire roast my own chilies, and then I'll backpack them and freeze them, so I have fire roasted chilies ready anytime I wanna make this chili.
And I'm lazy. I don't fire roast them, and I like to get them in the can when I can't find them.
So we've given our chicken some time to cook all the way through by simmering it. And next we're gonna add in our beans.
Well, we got just canned white beans here?
Yeah, and then we're gonna add in our sour cream, and it's gonna give it a nice creamy finish.
That's why we got married right here. They should call it marriage chicken chili.
So we're gonna serve this with some rice, and then we're just gonna ladle our chili right on top. And then we're gonna top it off with some scallions. Yeah, look at that. Nice, beautiful green pop in the chili. I love that.
All right, Allie, beautiful work. Look at this.
Thank you.
It looks amazing. It's creamy. It's got kind of a pale brown color over rice.
Happy chili cooking, and I hope this leads to your happily ever after.
And you guys can get more amazing recipes from Jet in his newest cookbook, 101 Thai dishes you need to cook before you die.